this nice handy scooper. Some days, having a working brain really pays off. If George wanted to watch birds eat, he had to keep Jumpy away.
What's so funny?
Little arrow flicked this toy all the way over to the other side of the pillow.
I want to be in it too. I want to be in it too.
Birds having breakfast, and they had no squirrely interruptions.
Mommy, put the other side to the other side. I got my hands to the other side to the net.